Hey, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Very excited to be sharing with you today 74 New Montgomery, unit number 701. This is a luxury condominium in the Montgomery building. I'm starting this video by actually walking through some of the neighborhood. This is Salesforce Park. Just an amazingly beautiful location. Great for running, enjoying this three levels actually. This is looking up from the transit building. This is a wonderful transit center, so if you get anywhere in the day, this is a great place to start. And all of this, including grocery stores, luxury shopping boutiques, transit, is all within 2 blocks, 3 blocks away from here. This is the unit itself. This is the building that you're on the Lease. This is directly across the street from the Palace Hotel. We are walking into the lobby. There's 24/7 door staff, so they're there to support you as a tenant. And here we are walking up to the 7th floor. Yeah, the staffing here is just amazing. Very, very friendly door staff. And this unit is also professionally managed by ReLISTO, so we'll make sure to take great care of you if you're turn out to be one of our So here we are entering the property. We have lots of closet space in this unit, so we'll be opening those closets up in a little bit. But here we are walking into the kind of open concept kitchen, living room area. Luxury appliances, premier appliances, double pane windows, and as some of the key features in that is that it's top-down, bottom-up blinds, which is wonderful depending on how you like, if you want to see the view or if you want to just have the light come in. So all those most of these are Hunter Douglas ones, which if you want, those are top quality. Walking here, this is the second bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms altogether. Tub shower combination with both, and these are really big, so definitely enjoy the space, tile floors and such. This would be the primary bedroom. And one of the key things, and this is why, I'm not sure if the video captures this, but once you're in the unit, it's really big because of these ceilings and the floor plane. So, in all this closet space. So, custom closets, and this is a walk-in closet for shoes, clothes, pots of clothes, and then other storage. And then here's the primary bathroom that supports the bedroom. Tub shower combination again. Again, nice large space, double sinks, so you can do everything you do in the morning and throughout the day. And yourself. Again, I mentioned double pane windows, and then here I want to be clear: individual heaters. So if you run cold or hot, you can control your environment. Again, more closet space. What we've done here is we've opened up all the doors so you can kind of peek in. Washer, dryer, box. Again, more storage. So if you have a lot of shoes or boxes or whatever you have, there is space for it here. Turning around, we enter into the second bedroom. Again, really tall ceilings and just amazing. If you like being of an urban environment, the city, this is really the property. So that is the tour of the city. Again, wooden floors, lots of cabin space. We're going to be transitioning now up to the roof deck. Now, this is just amazing. This is a super spacious area. There's barbecues, there's sitting area, what a wonderful place. And look at the view. You're surrounded by these towering buildings that are just absolutely beautiful. Some of them are more of a historic nature and juxtaposed next to super high buildings. You can see Salesforce Tower, which actually is crazy because it's only 2 blocks away. So again, lots of space, social, invite friends up, have engagement here. Definitely just really spectacular. This really does make the property. And as I mentioned, there is barbecue grills there. So if you're interested in this property, we'd love to show it to you. We are showing it frequently. So give us a jingle. There's contact information in the links below. And if you have any questions, contact us.